How to check saved items on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and search for Facebook and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now tap on the Marketplace option from the left side toolbar and further tap on the Buying option, and then you will see the Saved option. Tap on that, and with this you will be able to see all the saved items on Facebook Marketplace. So this is how you can check saved items on Facebook Marketplace. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.